6. Is there a war against children? The Swedish Parliament passed a law limiting the powers of parents in the name of children's rights. Parents may not discipline their children either by physical spanking or by depriving them of TV or in any similar way imposing a restraint upon them. The United Nations also has a Child Rights Declaration which makes the following points. First, the child must have reproductive freedom, that is, freedom for abortions, test tube babies, and so on. Second, the child must have freedom for unrestrained sexual practices or preferences, including homosexual relations. Third, children must receive unisex education. Fourth, member states must provide federally funded child development centres. Fifth, the child must have freedom from parental authority. Sixth, children must have liberation from patriotism and all such teaching. Seventh, liberation from capitalism and freedom for a new order, international and socialistic. Eighth, liberation from religious training. These so-called rights are being enacted piecemeal by various US states and courts. In one state, the age of consent was lowered to 13. In many other states, teenagers may obtain abortions without parental knowledge or consent. The US Supreme Court has sustained such laws. In one state, a minister was convicted of child abuse for making his 14-year-old daughter attend Sunday school and church and sit through family prayers. Much more can be added, but this is enough to indicate that a war is being waged against the biblical family and against children. It is a war which threatens to reach into your own home and family. Like it or not, you are involved. According to the Bible, the care and discipline of children belongs to the family under God. From beginning to end, the Bible is full of commandments to parents and children, and the pattern for family life is to be derived from God, not from humanism or the state. What we are witnessing is a total war against biblical faith, the family, and the child. Make no mistake about it, this is a religious war. Humanism against Christianity. The lives of your children are at stake. The courts and judges are saying that they, not the parents, will make the basic decisions concerning the child. Sociologists and legislators, together with the bureaucrats, claim that they know best what is good for our children, and they are sure that we parents are not good for them. In fact, some of them regard us as the worst possible guides for children. They seem sure that all wisdom and all light was born with them and their kind. Clearly, this is a war against children and parents also. There is no escaping from this war, and there are no neutrals. Our future is at stake. Either we restore the family under God, or we lose our families and our freedom